Hey, fellow travelers, and welcome back to At World to Travel 786. We're coming to you from the future, well, Mid-Autumn Festival 2025 to be exact, at Jurong Lake Gardens. If you thought the displays couldn't get better, wait until you see what they've created this year. Tonight, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of the most immersive lantern and light experience in Singapore. This is the ultimate guide for your visit. Let's go. 2025 Mid-Autumn Festival at Jurong Lake Gardens is more than just a display. It's a glimpse into a future where tradition and innovation shine together. It's an unforgettable experience for the whole family. If you enjoyed this tour, please smash that like button, subscribe to @WorldToTravel786 for more travel adventures around the globe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Tell us in the comments what your favorite part was.